Howdy.
How's it going, buddy?
All right, how are you?
Good. Thank you.
Thank you.
You know what this is? It's a disco ball. Yeah.
Is it gonna hang?
Yeah, I think I'll hang it maybe somewhere in here. I'm down here in the basement. We're looking for tools. We are creating a 10-foot dolly.
Yeah, this album is dedicated to all the teachers that told me I never amount to nothing. To all the people that lived above the buildings that I was hustling from that called the police on me when I was just trying to make some money to feed my daughter. And to all my peoples in the struggle, you know what I'm saying? It's all good, baby, baby. It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine, Salt and Pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine, hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, Rap Attack, Mr. Magic, Marley Marl. I let my tape rock till my tape pop, smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match. Remember rapping Duke? The hard, you never thought that hip hop would take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight cause I rhyme tight. Time to get paid, blow up like the world trade. Born sinner, the opposite of a winner. Remember when I used to eat sardines for dinner? Peace to Ron G, Brucey B, Kid Capri, Funk Master Flex, Love Bug, Star Ski. I'm blowing up like you thought I would.
Okay, we bought a fog machine a while back and we have never used it. It's just been sitting here waiting. Okay, I'm gonna change into pajamas.
Far from cheap, I smoke skunk with my peeps all day. Spread love, it's the Brooklyn way. The Moet and Alizé keep me pissy. Girls used to diss me, now they write letters cause they miss me. I never thought it could happen, this rapping stuff. I was too used to packing gats and stuff. Now honeys play me close like butter play toast. From the Mississippi down to the East Coast. Condos in Queens, Indo for weeks.
Okay, we just did step one, or part one of this shot. We just finished our 10-foot dolly shot. Now we're setting up the coffee making montage.
Living life without fear, putting 5 carrots in my baby girl ear. Lunches.
So we finished the first video with me at the table and ending with me making coffee. We're doing a second video now with me making a conference call, and the call is disconnecting. I'm getting a little frustrated. So we're just setting up for that shot. All right, that was a productive day of filming at the Let's Canoe office. We made 2 videos for the Still Dreaming series. I'm really happy with them. They're 2 very simple videos, but they took about 2.5 hours each to just complete. But we got those 2 shot. We're gonna edit them. They're coming out soon. Be sure to follow the Let's Canoe Instagram and YouTube channels. That's where we release all this content. But right now I am off to my son's basketball tournament. He's playing in a little bit. I'm so proud of him. He's so excited to play in this tournament. But after the game, we gotta head back to the office. I had to reset the room, and then we are hanging a disco ball to get ready for a party. Now I am.
It was a great game.
Clement's team only has 6 players apparently, which isn't much. There's Clement right there. So Clement's team lost their first game, which moved them down into the losers bracket, but then they won that game. So now they're back into the tournament and they play again tomorrow evening. That's really exciting. He made 2 points on that final game and 3 fouls. He got really aggressive. He got in there. He was getting those rebounds. He was doing the layups. He made some points. I'm really proud of Clement. Good job, buddy. Okay, now tonight, we're back in the office. We have to clean up this entire room and get ready for a party.
Watch things on VCR. Watch things on VCR.
Super Nintendo, Sega Genesis. When I was dead broke, man, I couldn't picture this. 50-inch screen, money green leather sofa. Got 2 rides, a limousine with the chauffeur. Phone bill about 2 G's flat. No need to worry, my accountant handles that. And my whole crew is lounging, celebrating every day, no more public housing. Thinking back on my 1-room shack, now my mom pimps an act with minks on her back. And she loves to show me off, of course. Smiles every time my face is up in the sauce. We used to fuss when the landlord dissed us. No heat, wonder why Christmas missed us. Birthdays was the worst days. Now we sip champagne when we thirsty. Damn right I like the life I live, cause I went from negative to positive and it's all.
Watch things on VCR.